Yevgeny Kolyasnikov, who played the main protagonist in the Russian movie Vanka and joined Kadyrovites to commit crimes in Ukraine, received his final, well-deserved award from the Ukrainian Armed Forces in Donbas. He was a horrible actor anyways. Shoigu arrived in Minsk limping and hiding his right hand. Slightly wounded? Ivan Gubadjilin, callsign Guba from the 25th Brigade, was captured near Bakhmut. Photos of people in military uniform were found on his phone, as he claims, were Belarusians. Those who were against the war in early February 2022 were thrown into a pit by Russian officers. Russian woman jokes about Ukrainians and wishes more caliber rockets and drones on them.
И даже установили. Вот он. Ну, конечно, старенький, со сломанной крышечкой, но зато вместо дырки в полу наконец-то можем срать в унитаз. Украинцы. Дай бог вам калибров побольше. Ну нет, конечно, нет. Пусть герани летят и хватит с вас.
Ukrainian tank in the streets of Bakhmut. Update from Ryan Hendrickson. Today, I trained another DSNS team that is getting ready to start their demining mission out east. All my detectors and equipment have been donated over, so now it's time to return home, fundraise, buy more equipment and get ready for next spring's mission.
Two of the anti-personnel mines that we find a lot out here. Chea version 2, and they're very, very low metallic. There's only the primer that's in those, and these Cheas are picking them up really well, so it's awesome. So we went from messing around with the Cheas to now we're back inside to get warm, and we are setting up the Talon 4 robot right now. And here we go, just doing a little demonstration. Got our little dummy bomb right there, but yeah, everything's good to go. So we're definitely, it's everybody's donations right here that got this robot over here, and it's going to get it out in the field and save limbs and lives. All right, training is done. We finished up with the Cheas. I donated over the last Cheas that I have. Training on the robot is done. We're charging up our batteries now, and yeah, that's about it. So now it's be time to get back to Poland, get back to States, fundraise again, and get ready to get more equipment out here and do it all over again.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.